look like a bumble dragon, Sera.
Sounded like a bear playing a trumpet.
Woodcutters. If she sneezes again, they'll catch us. We need total silence. I'm on it.
Standard issue. That should hold the pressure.
Slee, look at her eyes. She looks miserable. Wait, yellow dust? She's not sick, Slee. She's allergic to those flowers.
Pressure is critical. She's gonna blow the straps.
It's the pollen. We have to move her. Get her out of the flower patch now. Internal pressure stabilizing. She's cooling down.
See? Just fresh air. No more flowers.
We heard a roar. Sounded like a thunder beast.
Excuse me. Too much fizzy root beer.